Hello, how are you? How are you? Kumusta? And thank you so much nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries, to the different people in this world. More blessings, subscriber, viewers, and supporters. Thank you so much that you are still watching in my channel from my short videos, regular videos, and my live. Thank you very much talaga, and God bless us all. I have a lot already of my, my blessings, that what I have. This one is last week, and I'm a little bit busy, and some, of my work, so that's why. And I didn't make also live today or yesterday ba yun, or today, or I wish that tonight even 1 hour only, and later I can make it after, before I sleep, or I don't know, it depends talaga because it's school time, and I need to sleep when I finish, wake up very early, and my my eyes is very stressed already to if but it's okay. At least I still with the help of God, and thank you Lord for giving me strength too much for my work, and health to my everything will be okay, and I can finish as of what my daily routine in my life while as OFW working. So thank you so much, and God bless us all. More blessings for everything that we have. Just now I'm just say greetings to say thank you so much for all that you are giving and you are helping to me from the beginning, mga some vlogger that you are helping, open-minded and kindness to help me from 1 subscriber until now, that what I have, hours that what I have. Thank you talaga. And some vlogger also that I'm connected with them, and some supporters, viewers that they are also connect in my channel, that they are still helping to my guts. Okay, thank you so much talaga. Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, worldwide, to the different countries, to the different people, even we're not knowing each other, just through in the social media of the YouTube company, YouTube, all staff, the founder in the different countries of this company, the YouTube. God bless us all, more blessings at all. Keep safe everything that we have, and thank you for helping one another. We are not knowing each other, we are not seeing each other through only in the social media, and thank you of the company and the social media of the YouTube. Thank you. Hello YouTube, thank you so much talaga. And now thank you that we have our what we have, even you are not in a social media, even you are not have no self own channel, at least that you are still watching in the social media of the YouTube. Thank you very much talaga, that you are still helping together with us. So this one only in my first video now in this day, and I wish that everything will be okay. Everything will be in a good way already. To Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao in the different countries, and to all my families belong both side of my nanay and tatay, my relatives, cousin, mga apo sa tuhod, mga niece, mga nag-celebrate happy birthday to all of them, and to all I'm looking outside kasi, to all of us na, that is generalized na, keep safe my my second brother, and may mga in-laws, sister-in-laws, and may mga nieces, and God bless bless us all to my hometown, that all of them, and to my madam and to my sir, the family of my madam and sir and their friends, that they are also together and helping to support in my channel. Thank you very much. And to Celine. So, as of what I'm telling, thank you very much, and God bless us all. God provide everything, whatever we have. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, and bye.